IKEA launches e-commerce deliveries to thousands of pin codes in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka, spanning 62 districts. Expansion aims to enhance accessibility and convenience for customers. Mindspace Madhapur, a key business park, undergoes extensive redevelopment with the Experience Center as the focal point. The 0.13 million square feet center, set for completion by December 2025, aims to merge work and leisure. The report reveals progress in other development projects and strategic divestment plans. Hyderabad emerges as a global hub for student visa processing alongside major Indian cities, according to the US Embassy. In 2023, they achieved a historic milestone, processing 1.4 million US visas, with Indians constituting 1 in 10 applicants globally. Marut Drones pioneers drone-based mineral exploration in India, supplying customized octocopter drones with advanced sensors to NMDC. This collaboration introduces cutting-edge technology for precise and sustainable mineral exploration. Hyderabad Kalakriti, Srishti and The Contemporary Galleries present diverse artworks at the 15th India Art Fair 2024 in Delhi. Exhibits include Windows to the Gods, Migration and Urbanization, and Visual Storytellers.